a metered dose inhaler, MDI, or HFA, and spacer. Let's review the key parts of your MDI/HFA and spacer. Spacer mouthpiece. Inhaler attachment. Inhaler cap. Inhaler canister. Dose counter. How to use your MDI/HFA and spacer. It's best to start sitting up or standing. If this inhaler is new or it has been more than 2 weeks since you used it, you need to prime the inhaler. To prime the inhaler, shake for 5 seconds. Remove the inhaler cap. Hold away from your face and press the canister to waste a puff. Repeat this step 4 times. Once the inhaler is ready, attach to the spacer. Shake the inhaler for 5 seconds to prepare your puff. Your inhaler is now ready. Breathe all the air out of your lungs. Close your lips around the spacer mouthpiece. Press the canister to give a puff. Take a slow, deep breath in. When your lungs are full, hold your breath as long as you can before you breathe out, up to 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your nose. If your directions say to take a second puff, wait 1 minute before repeating the steps. Waiting helps the medication work better. Now, let's put it all together. Prime the inhaler if needed. Remove the inhaler cap. Attach to the spacer and shake. Breathe all the air out of your lungs. Close your lips around the mouthpiece and press the canister. Breathe in slowly and deeply and hold your breath up to 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Remove inhaler and recap. When using your controller inhaler, rinse and spit after each use to prevent infection. If you see inhaler powder inside the mouthpiece, clean the inhaler with a dry paper towel. Use the dose counter to keep track of the medicine. Be sure to contact the pharmacy for a refill when the counter starts to get low.